Good afternoon. Just a couple of things that I want to show you that we've not looked at yet. So I'm going to go ahead and add a cube. I'm going to scale it. Actually, let me do this the easy way. So I wanted about 5 meters. Oh, maybe a bit longer. Let's say 20 meters, and I wanted maybe just 1 meter. Okay. So I've got like it's like a step. Yeah, let's have a look at it from the side. Okay, so if I grab it, grab it and move it up a little bit. Okay, so that it's on the floor. Okay, so I want a row of steps, and I want my ball bouncing down the steps. Yeah, so first I'm going to make one step. I'm going to add some materials. Now, what we normally do this, and we normally do that, and we give it a color. Yeah. But if we don't do that, if we go back here and then there's this yellow dot here, base color, if we click on this, we get loads of different stuff, okay? And stuff that we can just play about with, yeah? Now that doesn't seem to do very much. There is some nice stuff here. If we look at brick texture, of course we need to go into render mode. So if we look at brick texture, we can see that we've got some bricks. We can set the color, so color 1 and color 2. Yeah, we've got some bricks. Looks okay. And the mortar is the stuff between the bricks. We can change that to a white if we want, or whatever. So there's that, which is kind of built in for us. If we want, we can change it to a checker. Yeah, that looks kind of cool. And again, we can play about with the colors. Yeah, well, that looks nice. Okay, so I'm happy with that. Now, so what I want a row of steps. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select the first one, and then add constraint. No, sorry, where is it? Add modifier, add array. Okay, and then if I move this, if I move it along which axes? If I move it along the y-axis, we can see that we've got a copy. So let me grab that. Now I want it side by side. Okay, so here we go. Yeah. So now I can move it like that. And now if I move it up, we can see that we've got something that looks like a couple of steps. Yeah? So far, so good. Now, if I want more, I've got this count here, and all I have to do is go up, up. Wait, let me move over. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah? And each time I get a new step, and they're exactly the same style and exactly the same distance apart. Okay, so using this array function, which is in here, add modifier, you can reduce the amount of work quite quickly. Now there's one more thing. Okay, so I'm going to add a UV sphere. I'm going to grab it. I'm going to move it on the x-axis. This, down to materials. Is this materials? Yes, this is materials. New. I'm going to click on this, but I'm going to click on image, and I'm going to give it an image that I've got. Okay, so I've got a picture called bubbles. Wait, excuse me. What I have also got, that doesn't look very interesting. Let's change it. Blender. Here, I've got my flag. Okay, so the nice Union Jack. Yeah. So any picture on your file storage. Mine is here. I've got it in documents. So I've got these PNG files. PNG. that I've just downloaded from the internet. Yes, Union Jack. So it looks like this. It looks like this. I just downloaded it from Wikipedia. You can use any flag that you want. Yeah, that's backwards. That I was playing about. That's also backwards. So any flag that you want, and then any image that you want, and you can attach it to any object. Yeah. Okay, so let me go ahead and finish off this. Let me grab this ball and move it along the y-axis so that it's here. Let me grab it, move it up a little bit. Okay, and now if I need to set everything, of course. That's a soft body, turn that off. Bending is 5. Stiffness, turn that on. Here, if I select one, they're all selected. Turn collision on. And now, I've not done something. That looks nice. Can I have it with the colors as well? Okay, so I've got my Union Jack ball rolling down my checkered stairs. Okay, and that was actually quite nice and quite quick and easy to do. Yeah. For this example, 250 frames is not really long enough, so I'm going to make that a little bit longer. It doesn't go off the top step, but it's okay, yeah. And that, I think, actually looks really quite nice. And that was using the array function. Okay, so you might want to consider that when you're working on your progress check. Have fun.